parkinSoft, User Manual for Web App. Introduction. Hello everyone. The following video describes how to use the main modules of the web app for patients diagnosed with Parkinson's disease, parkinSoft. The basic modules to manage the parkinSoft web app are Catalogs, Graphics, Event Log, and Event Capturing. All of them accessible through the app's main menu, composed by three options: Home, Parkinson, and Configuration. Recorded events include tremor level, level of dyskinesia, consultations, studies or analysis, interventions, and taking medications. All of these events can be captured in the Event Capture module. Recording or capturing the level of tremor, dyskinesia, and medication intake should be done automatically, in the background of Apple Watch. Tremor and dyskinesia uploading need no configuration. But automatic capture of medicine intake must be programmed in the app's catalog. There might occur events that break the automatic uploading of information. If this occurs, the user has up to 7 days to recover and upload tremor and dyskinesia data. Consultations, or visits to the doctor, studies, and interventions, must be captured manually. Therefore, either the patient, or the app manager, must capture them in the parkinSoft web app. Graphics modules. There are 3 charts available: General Graph, Tremor Graph, and Dyskinesia Graph. The tremor graph is the one that appears when entering the patient's web application. It displays a graph in which each row is a day, and each column is a time of the day, with the top row being the last day registered. Upon entering the general graph, the graph for the last 2 days appears, with the filter adjusted to see only tremor and dyskinesia. That is, tremor and dyskinesia today, and yesterday. To configure different filters, click on the blue button with a plus sign. To create a custom chart, you must first configure your filter, then hide filters by clicking the blue minus button, and finally click the refresh button. The time to load or update a graph is proportional to the amount of data required in the filter. If a graph with a lot of information is generated, the connection to the server may be rejected. It is suggested to make reports with little data here. If you want more information, that is, a longer period than the server suggests, you should use the tremor graph and the dyskinesia graph. The dyskinesia graph is equivalent to the tremor graph, but information displayed concerns to the level of dyskinesia every half hour. Event log. In the module, Event log, you will find the patient's detailed historical record from all types of registered events. Here, reports of tremor, dyskinesia, consultations, interventions, studies or analysis, comments, and food type consumed can be generated. Data can be filtered to generate custom reports with text filters. If you want to get the raw information of tremor or dyskinesia levels as it is output by the Apple Watch, here you can import it to an XLS file for further data analysis. Event and comments capturing. Event capturing. To capture an event, the user must click on the option, Parkinson, from the main menu of the app, and then click on the option, Capture Events. Within the module you enter the tab, Events, Meds, etc. There is another tab called, Comments. In the tab, Events, Meds, etc. the fields must be filled out from top to bottom, in the order, event, event type, quantity, presentation, event date, start and end time, observations, and send alert by email. Optionally, an email is sent to the email address saved in the Operational Catalog tab, Parameters. At the bottom of the module, a list of the patient's last recorded events is displayed, ordered by descending date. Upcoming events captured as type, consultation/studies will be displayed in Apple Watch main screen. The available event options to choose from the option list are the following. Medication consumption. When selecting this option, in the event subtype, items of type medication are filtered from those captured in the product's catalog. Food consumption. Food consumption can be captured in two categories: animal protein and vegetable protein. Reaction. If the patient presents any reaction after taking any medication or applying any treatment, this option is selected and comments are written for later references. Consultation or study. Always, as soon as you receive the date and time of next consultation with a doctor or study's procedure, the event must be programmed in the application. These events will be displayed on Apple Watch's main screen showing next upcoming event. Intervention. Interventions include operations, adjustments to DBS neurostimulator, therapies, changes in medications, physiotherapy, etc. Comment capturing. To capture comments, you must enter the Event Capture module. Within the main menu, click on Parkinson, and within the Event Capture module, click on the Comments tab. Here, in the text field, relevant comments from the patient's day should be written. More than one comment can be captured per day. Comments appear at the bottom of the general graphic. The captured observations can also be consulted in the module, Event Log. To save the captured data, and so, the event, click on the button, Save Event. Catalogs. There are two catalogs in parkinSoft web app, the catalog, and the user's catalog. Both accessible in the configuration option from app's main menu. In the catalog, users should capture medications, and keep up-to-date scheduled medications intake or consumption. Capturing medicines in product catalog make them available in lists from Capturing Events module, and Schedule Medications catalog. Medicine capturing. To register a medication, you must enter the web app's catalog. Once there, select the tab, Products. Click on button, New. Fill out all the fields, and click the button, Save. Medication consumption and time to take medicine notification. Capturing medications can be done automatically, or manually. Neither of the two guarantees that the patient consumes the medication, therefore, it is important to ensure the consumption of the prescribed medications in a timely manner. If everything is configured correctly, the watch will vibrate and ring displaying a medication consumption notification. The patient must then take the medication displayed in the watch notification and close the notification on the watch. The app manager or the patient must make adjustments to the medication intake catalog, within the operational catalog, as soon as a prescription change is received from the doctor. For a manual capture, you must enter Event Capture module, fill out all the fields, and click on the Save button. To capture medication consumptions automatically, the medication intakes must be configured in the operational catalog, within the tab, Schedule Meds Intake. Here you must initially capture the medication intakes one by one. The record is saved regardless of whether the patient takes the medication or not. Supervision is suggested. When a new medication is prescribed to the patient, this is where their intake is scheduled so that the watch notifies the patient at the appropriate time. If a medication is suspended or stopped, the medication taking schedule must be deleted in this section. To remove a medication intake programmed, you must select it and click on the Remove button. Set email alert destinations. parkinSoft sends email alerts if the patient's tremor level is medium, moderate, or strong. Also when an event is manually captured and set to send an email alert. To register the destination emails for alerts, enter the app's catalog, and, in the Parameters tab, add the destination emails separated by a comma. And click on the button, Save. Subscription payment. Before the trial period expires. About a week before expiration date, every time users enter the web app, a message with days remaining before expiration date will be displayed. Users must pay subscription in order to keep allowing web apps access. To pay the subscription, go to Configuration, in Web Apps main menu. Then click on License Payment option. You will be redirected to FastSpring, parkinSoft's payment partner, site for subscription payment. After concluded payment process, you will receive a confirmation email. Thank you for your time.